Hello everyone, in this part I will explain Google Sheets. So what is Google Sheet and why we must use Google Sheet? What are some applications of the Google Sheets? So Google Sheet, as I have already explained in my previous lecture, so Google Sheet is a powerful cloud-based spreadsheet application, and these are some features of the Google Sheets. So first feature is it is a cloud-based. So cloud-based means it is a web-based application. You don't need to install the Google Sheets on your system. You can access the Google Sheets using website. So it is a cloud-based. So you can access and edit your spreadsheets from anywhere. You just need internet connection. So you can save your document, you can work on the Google Sheets anywhere. So it is a very useful application. It is a web-based application where you can use the different features of the Google Sheets. And second feature is collaboration. So collaboration means multiple users can collaborate on a single spreadsheet in a real time. So if you are working for a project and you and your friends want to work on a single spreadsheet, you can collaborate on a single spreadsheet. Another important feature is autosave. So changes are automatically saved to the Google Drive, so there is no risk of the data loss. Templates, and Google Sheet also provides a very large number of predefined templates that you can use. So it has a predefined templates like budget planning, calendars. So you can use templates that I will cover in this course. Formulas and functions, you can use a wide range of built-in functions and formula to perform calculation and manipulate data. There are so many functions and formulas available like text functions, numeric functions, date functions that I will cover in this course. So you can use different formulas and functions. You can use charts and graphs. You can create interactive charts and graphs to visualize your data. So it's very important. You can use the data visualization with the help of Google Sheets. Conditional formatting, it also provides the conditional formatting, which means formatting rules to the cell based on some conditions. So with the help of conditional formatting, data analysis is very easy. It also provides you the option of data validation. So data validation means there are some rules with the help of which you can validate the data. So you can use rules to control what data can be entered into the cells. I will explain each and everything in this course, how you can use a collaboration, how you can use templates, how you can use formula function, how you can use charts and graphs, how you can use conditional formatting, data validation. Another important feature is import export. You can import data from various file formats, for example CSV, comma separated values, Excel. Even you can export your spreadsheets in the different formats. You can save your spreadsheet as a PDF files. You can save your PDF spreadsheet in any format, so you can export your data. Another important feature is add-on. So Google Sheet also provides the add-ons features that I will cover in this course. So there is a Google Workspace marketplace where you can use the Google add-ons. It also provides you the option of pivot tables, which help for the data analysis and summarization. You can filter the data. You can filter the data based upon some query. You can sort the data. So it's very helpful feature if you are working with a large data set. Data collaboration, I have already explained. So mobile access, you can also use Google Sheets app for accessing and editing your spreadsheets on a mobile device. A revision history, so suppose you have made some changes in the Google Sheet, you can track changes made to the spreadsheet over time. And in case you want to revert to the previous version, you can. Data protection, Google Sheet also provides the security features like sharing permissions, authentication. So even you can access the Google Sheets documents offline. So so you can work on Google Sheets offline and changes will sync when you are back online. So it also provides the automation with Google App Script. It also set up the, it can, with the help of this you can set up email notifications and alerts. So you can easily integrate the Google Sheets into the websites and blogs. You can add comments. You can collaborate while leaving comments on specific cells or ranges within a spreadsheet. So these features make Google Sheet a versatile tool for data management, analysis, and collaboration. So with the help of Google Sheet, you can use these features. So I will cover each and every feature in this course. So let me show you the module 1. So in module 1 I will cover introduction to the Google Sheets. So I have explained what is Google Sheets. Now I will show how you can use Google Sheets, some brief introduction to its interface, and some basic navigation that we will cover in the next part. Thank you for watching.